Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Saturday 23rd of April. Okay, and right now we do have two things that I do want to talk about Bitcoin in this update. And yesterday we talked about the bear flag on the 4-hour time frame, which actually takes you down to this 37,900, let's say just $38,000 region. Okay, so you're still looking for 38,000 region. You came down like this and made a nice big whooping bear flag like that. Breaking out of it actually does take you down to this price target right over here. So I don't really know why Bitcoin is moving sideways at this point of time over here just like that. But the thing is that this technical target is a target that has to be met. Okay, now that's out of the way. That's the first thing. The second thing that I actually want to look at is on the weekly time frame. Actually, there are going to be three things. Just notice this one right now as we speak. So it does act, if Bitcoin by Sunday closes near the 37,900 region, then you are just putting in a big three black rows right over there. Do you see that? Which actually means continuation of a downtrend will likely happen. Of course, if we don't start to invalidate the candlesticks themselves, then it's not going to happen. Now if it does actually start to come to the upside, then that's going to be a positive sign after the dump. But if it doesn't actually come to the upside and makes a small green candle next week, maybe to 39,500, then from there you're going to see a bigger continuation. Now that's the second thing, the three black rows on the weekly. Now the number three is that even though people are still not talking about this, but it's important to point out the fact that this nonetheless was your ascending triangle to me. So you had an ascending triangle going to the upside. So what is the technical target of ascending triangle? When you break to the upside, you measure the bottom here to the top, and that's where you go, which could have taken you to $57,000. What if you break into the downside? Okay, now I do know the bear flag technical target takes you to 38,000, but the technical target of this ascending triangle, breaking out of it, actually does take you from where you form the triangle, which can be 34,760. That's something you have to keep in mind as well. Okay, so the meaningful technical target, by the way, is gonna be $34,000 or $35,000. So yeah, let's see. First, let's hit the technical target of the bear flag. Let's see how Sunday closes by and how Monday starts, and during that time we're going to see how Bitcoin behaves as well. But at the moment the shortest near target is 38,000. From there it's all the way down to 35,000 in my opinion, 36,000. But let's see what's going to happen. It's not a confirmed thing just yet. And that's it for today's update. And if you want to learn trading, do check out my trading course, 18 hours of contents, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.